When did you last time thought about your dream? Recently? When did you last time thought about your family, yourself or your life? Again recently. But when did you last time take action about them? You don't know. Because when we become used to something, we usually forget about its importance. Thinking and overthinking, we have lost the importance of actions we should take for our plans we make. Before moving further, I would like to show you something. The blue part in this graph is our action compared to our thinking that has been shown in orange color. This is how we act when we are least productive. We make plan and then nothing we do. Again we think to do something and still nothing. We take least actions when we think so much on a single task. The second graph shows average people who think and act like most of our families. They first decide the pros and the cons of the actions that we have planned, and more than 70% plans are not taken at all because we judge the work before trying it. And here's the third category of highly productive people, because they talk to themselves with their work, not with their thoughts. Therefore, most of their actions are literally taken, and these are the only people who are successful. Stop thinking about everything. This thinking is taking a lot of space in our brain and then in our life, and it is making us less and less productive. For the God's sake, please stop thinking. Look, every action doesn't require to be think before it is done. Thinking makes everything worse, particularly if we are thinking to the negative aspect of something. That's what our mind does. When we are focusing on a problem, it magnifies them. The more you worry, the more uncertain you become. The more you think, the more paralyzed you will feel. There is only one way to learn something. Start taking action in its direction. What is preventing you to do something is your brain. It wants to keep you in comfort zone because it is fearful of change. But for you, it is not like that. Because you want a better life, you want a life that has some meaning, then you can't stop. Because you have to give your life a true life. But your brain stops you, and it is fearful of taking further actions in good direction. And it will keep stopping you until you prove it that there is a life better than this. And it has become very important to trick your brain, because then only you will be able to achieve something, not just by making plans and your brain keeps on delaying them. Brain is like a stubborn baby. You must know how to convince it. If you desperately want a change in your life that you are living today and don't know how to do that, then think about your goals. And when the instinct arises from within you to change your life, believe in them. Believe in your own instinct and your own wisdom, what they are saying to you. Don't believe in anything else. Don't think over it repeatedly. Just start doing. These videos are just to guide you in the process of something that you want to do. But to take the action for your goal is in your own hand. The 5-second rule is a book written by Mel Robbins, has given a great solution to achieve something by taking an action. And it is just count like a space shuttle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and launch. After it, let anything happen. You just start taking action. The most important thing I want you to know is that just don't be an idle person. Don't just let your life pass like that. Let it be any action, whether small or huge, whether for some minutes or for hours. But the action is necessary. If you are struggling to find the right direction, then keep on struggling. but don't stop. The moment you have an instinct to act on your goal, then always take physical action before you start. Otherwise, your brain will stop you. But why physical action? Why not the mental action? Because physical action is more powerful tool to overcome overthinking, laziness and all your addictions. By doing this, you will give less time to think and more time to act, and it is the only way to become productive. So remember, before you start any task, just do some physical activities first. Like when you start your studies, just have a walk for a minute or do some push-ups and then start. Looking back to your mistake or the things that you have done wrong or any kind of regret, like you have wasted a lot of time in your life or anything, please stop thinking about them, because if you do so, you will be losing hope and more of your time. One line mesmerized me from the novel The Alchemist. It says, "Now I am beginning what I could have started 10 years ago. But I am happy that at least I did not wait for 20 years." People are capable at any time in their lives of doing what they dream of. Listen, it's never too late to check your mistake. Don't feel bad about your regrets. Forgive yourself for everything you did wrong and move on to what you dream of. As you forgive yourself, you will vanish most of the negative thoughts from your brain that were earlier stopping you to move further. Now the time has come to decide. Comment down below, either you will shut down this YouTube to take an action, or you will scroll to next video and keep on thinking that you will find a better one. Whenever in life you are stuck, just count from 5 to 1 and do what your instinct says, and never stop after that in your life. Before leaving, please leave a feedback of this video and we will appreciate your suggestion for new content you want on this channel.